This video is another FPV video. It's all about my Mobula7. I was out yesterday evening, right before dark, flying from my front porch. And I had a blast. It was fun. Hopefully you guys enjoy the footage. And make sure, if you're new here, make sure and go down and subscribe. I have many great plans to take RCs to different places, like places where people are underprivileged, and help the homeless and let kids play with RCs. And I also do a lot of drone stuff, and I want to go like when this hurricane just hit Louisiana, I want to go and help people. Once this channel is successful, I'm going to go down there and do stuff where I vlog and help people and give stuff away, and you know, just do a lot of good with the channel. That's my whole goal with being able to do all this. So if you're new, make sure you go down and subscribe and support the dream. But this is an FPV video. I was flying around out front with my Mobula7, and I had a few fun flights, and it went great. At the end of the video, I'm not going to do an outro, but the last few clips at the end is going to be the fails. I put a 2S battery in my Mobula7, and I was flying around in my house. It didn't go very well. It pretty much failed every time, but I'm going to let you guys watch the clips anyway. Anyway, there ain't going to be no outro on this one, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for the support. I love you guys, and if you enjoy the video, drop a like and a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later, guys.
is crossed. We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay.